Hi guys! To those asking how to create a pet with aura, this is the right video for you. First of all, you need to capture your desired pet. For this video, I capture Monarch with S plus rank in dispatch. And of course, you need to consider the skills of your pet before you try to unleash the aura. Always choose the pet with a really good skills and S plus or SS rank in dispatch. So don't waste your time and your effort and also your orb seals. By the way, this Monarch has a vitality skill with a auto regeneration of my health. I always mentioning the dispatch with S plus and SS rank because the stats on dispatch is fixed. Unlike to the combat, the rank is adjustable by the advancement. Without any technicalities, that was too easy to understand. So without further ado, let's get down to the business. If you're using the pet, retrieve it for him to be ready for some advancement. At this moment, I open all the orb seals of Monarch. For this step, having a combat that too low is not that important because like I said, the combat is adjustable. For the second step, you need to open the third skill by using advancement. I am lucky at this moment because I opened the third skill already. And it is a drunkard steps earth element. This skill is good for wind element monsters. I don't really like this skill, but who knows, this might gonna useful. So let's continue the advancement. The third step is you need to open the fourth skill. And again, I opened it already. It's Bulwark Earth Element. It seems I get all the defensive skills of this Monarch. By the way guys, even if you choose preserve or change button, once you open all the skills, it will be permanently there unless you use combat training set. Now let's continue the advancement. The fourth step is hunting the SS rank combat or S plus combat and also trying to open the fifth skill. In this moment, it was too hard to open it. So why I'm saying hunting SS rank combat or S plus rank combat, it is because when you open the fourth skill, you only need to do is to boost the stats of your pet instead of course using the advancement. Now luckily we opened the aura of this Monarch. As you can see, this is the Monarch right now, jumping while having a aura around him. Now we will going to do the fifth step. We will unleash or open the fifth skill. Since I have a lot of Monarch after all, there's still a chance to open the fifth skill. Using advancement again several times. This kind of method will only lead you acquire the pet aura and also the fifth skill. Now we open the fifth skill, the process is finished. Now we have the pet with aura and fifth skill. By the way, my overall consumption of advanced orb seal to catch a lot of Monarch is around 35 pieces of advanced orb seal. Now here you go. Catch your desired pet and unleash its aura. A little favor guys, please like this video and comment down below. Thank you.